Meaning of defray.
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 Defray. Defray means to provide financial support or pay for the cost of something. It is often used in the context of reimbursing or sharing the cost of an expense. For example, a company may defray the travel expenses of its employees when they go on business trips. Alternatively, a group of friends might defray the cost of a shared meal by splitting the bill evenly. Essentially, defraying means to offset the cost of something by providing financial assistance, either in full or in part.